Hey y'all, we're back today with another mail order from eBay. This one's going to a Mr. Ronald W. Jr. from Automotive, Pennsylvania. I hope I pronounced that right. If I didn't, I'm sorry. Well, what we got here is a roll control installation kit for your brake lines. So Mr. Ronald, we're going to stick it in a tube. And I had to get innovative because we don't have a box this big. Well, we do, but it's too tall. So I got one of my rolls and my vinyl comes on from a vinyl machine. And I got 2 quart can paint caps for my paint mixing system for quart cans. It just so happens they fit perfect. So we're going to stick all this together and hopefully it makes it to you unscathed. If I tear this up, they're doing good. No, I ain't telling. Alright, Beth gave you a sticker. That's from our main channel, Dixie Customs. So, on the back of it, she wrote you a note. We appreciate your order. Maybe this will get to you in time to where you can get your project back underway. See if we can get all this buttoned up now. It worked on paper. I don't mean it's going to work in person. You know how that goes. We might have something here. At least it keeps the package around if nothing else. Well, I say that and it shows out. Alright. Woohoo! Nothing like bloopers on the mail order video. At least this won't be as boring, right? But we do appreciate your order. Appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. And we look forward to doing business with you in the future. We got other things that we still got to bring to the eBay store. We just haven't had the time right now. Got 100 other things going on. But that's just part of life, so. We'll get to it eventually. But I appreciate the people who's ordered what we do have on there thus far, because it helps out considerable. Well, there you go, Mr. Ronald. I'm going to do a little more fashion taping on the end of it. But there's your package, so we appreciate you watching. Thanks for your order, and we'll catch you on the next one.